At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a sublimation business can be an exciting venture, especially considering its potential in various markets like personalized gifts, apparel, and promotional items. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Begin by researching the demand for sublimation products in your area or online. Identify potential competitors, target demographics, and trends in the market. 2. A business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your objectives, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Legal structure and registration. Decide on the legal structure of your business, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc., and register your business according to local regulations. Obtain any necessary licenses or permits. 4. Equipment and supplies. Invest in quality sublimation equipment such as a heat press, sublimation printer, computer, graphic design software, and sublimation blanks, mugs, t-shirts, phone cases, etc. Research suppliers for sublimation inks, papers, and substrates. 5. Workspace setup. Set up a dedicated workspace for your sublimation operations. Ensure adequate ventilation, electricity, and storage space for equipment and supplies. 6. Design and product selection. Create or curate a catalog of designs for your sublimation products. Consider offering personalized/customized options to attract more customers. 7. Supplier relationships. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers for sublimation blanks and consumables. Negotiate favorable terms for pricing and delivery. 8. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity and create marketing materials such as a website, social media profiles, business cards, and brochures. Use online platforms and local advertising to promote your products and services. 9. Sales channels. Determine your sales channels, whether it's through an e-commerce website, brick-and-mortar store, online marketplaces, or a combination of these. Consider attending trade shows or craft fairs to showcase your products. 10. Quality control and testing. Ensure consistent quality by testing your sublimation process and products regularly. Pay attention to color accuracy, print durability, and overall finish. 11. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Be responsive to inquiries, resolve issues promptly, and consider offering guarantees or returns policies. 12. Continuous improvement. Stay updated on industry trends, technology advancements, and customer preferences. Continuously innovate your product offerings and processes to stay competitive in the market. Starting a sublimation business requires dedication, creativity, and attention to detail, but with the right planning and execution, it can be a rewarding endeavor. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.